Hello everyone, welcome to this graphics design section. I remain glad to studio and I'm going to show you how to design a simple professional business flyer, just like what you are seeing here. Exactly this. So this is a flyer for a restaurant. Alright, so let's start. First thing I'll do will be to get rid of this. Take it to default setting, okay? Alright, now I don't need this new text that is highlighted, so I'll delete it. To delete, this is how you do it. Come here. For those who are new to PixelLab app, click that basket and you delete it. Alright, then now the first thing I'll do will be to change the background. I don't want this background color, so to do that I'll come here, I click this, okay? So we'll do that. See color here, just pick color. I want black, so you tick good. All right, so the next thing we will do after this will be to bring in the shape. Let's bring in a shape. To do that, sorry, for those who are new still, let me show you. Click on this plus sign here. When you click on the plus sign, you see shapes. Click on shapes. Now I want to pick it. I don't want this square. I want to pick another shape. So I'll come here. Alright, I touch that and then see the option. I want circle. That's not all. I want a red circle. So I'll come here and see. Pick my red circle. Alright. So I'll bring it here. Move it here. Let me expand the circle some more. Alright, so I'll leave it here. The next thing I want to do will be to bring in another circular shape, okay? Well, let me bring in the food, okay? A picture of the food. So now we'll take it from gallery, okay? So now this is it. I don't want it to be in this square form. I want it to be circular, so in a circular form. So I'll come here and touch this here to change it to a circular form. You see it? Alright, I'll just tick that. Then I can decide to adjust it and just put it here. Okay, that's that. This is one way to do this. Another way to do this, can I delete it? So let me delete it, so I'll show you another way to do this. Delete. Also delete this. Another way to do this, I just go straight from gallery, pick the food. Remember, I want it circular. Pick this circular pattern and then I click good and then I stretch it out to the way I want it to be. Okay, the next thing I will now do will be to add stroke. Alright, to do that I'll come here. Okay, to put the stroke. Alright, I'll touch this, then we'll flip through and then you see stroke here. Guys, look at stroke. This is stroke. Okay, so I'll click on it and then click on enable, then I'll pick a red stroke. Can you see? That's not all. I will increase the stroke width to my satisfaction. Can you see it? To whatever extent I want it to go. Alright, let's leave it at 12. Okay, and guys, that's it. And I can just shift it here. Have you seen it now? I can just shift it here. Okay, now we've gotten that. Alright, if I want I can reduce it a little. And then I shift it here. Alright, that's that for this. I bring in another. Okay, now let's use this second method of just using the stroke. Okay, I bring in the next food. This will make our work faster. circular form. I want it in a circular pattern. Stretch it out the way I want it to be. Then I'll still add stroke. Enable. Pick the red stroke. Increase the width. Okay. Now I'll reduce it because I want this one smaller. Okay. All right. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do will be to bring in the other food as well. Bring in this still circular stroke again. Enable. I want a red stroke. This time around I don't want it so thick. Okay. I don't want it so thick, so I'll reduce the stroke. 3 is okay. Bring in the next food again from gallery again. I already have the food here, so I'm just going to pick them. Circle again. Add stroke, red stroke. The last stroke was 3, so leave it at 3. Again. Okay, we will still adjust this. It's too big. We're still going to adjust all of them. It's a little too big. We'll adjust them. Then bring the next food again. Next food is this circular. All right. Okay, stroke again, red stroke. Increase the width. 3. Now to align this properly, see what we're going to do. Alright, for us to properly align this, I'll need this. Let me show you. I'll make use of this grid line here. This. Okay. So I'll activate it, and then I want to add some more lines. Okay. I need to add some more lines too. Okay. So now the next thing I want to do, I want to adjust this. Just want to adjust it properly. It has to be within this line. So alright. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Remember to be able to adjust it while these lines are active. See what I did? I came here and I touched this. So that was how I'm able to. If I don't do this, once I come here, I can't really, I have to activate that. So this is what I did. Okay. So we'll adjust this just a little. But I just want them to be aligned together. I think that's okay. Alright, that's perfect. We're done with that. Okay, so the next thing I'll do, I'll bring in another circle. A circle. Red circle. We're working with red today. Red is a beautiful color. In fact, do I really want this circle? I don't want circle. Sorry. Let me bring in another shape. Bring in another shape. Let me work with this, but we'll make it red. Okay. This is the shape I'm bringing. Now I'm going to rotate it. See what I did to rotate. To rotate, this is what I touched. Okay. Just touch here and you can flip it as you want. Alright, so to rotate it, just bring it here. The circle can still work, sha. The circle can still work. So and bring it here. Alright, so the next thing I'll do will be to put in the text. That's what I'm going to do. The text. Okay. Sorry, double text. Alright, so to edit this is what I'm going to do. I'll come here and click this A here to edit. Touch A, see edit. So now the name of the restaurant, Annie's Food. Okay, now I'm going to increase the size. Let's see if that's okay. Then the font. See font here. Click on font. What shape do I want to be? Let me go with this. Alright. Bring it here. Okay. Should we reduce? Let me reduce this. Okay. So this is it. Let me increase this Annie's Food. Annie's Food. Alright, so bring in another text again. Food at its best. I think that's what I wrote. I can't even remember. Bring it here. And then let's change the font. In fact, reduce the size. Move it to the left. Let's change the font. Sorry. Let's change the font. Let me pick this. Sorry. I think I should increase this a little. Let me change this font. I'm not really okay with this font. I think this is better. Alright. Then we're going to write another. What was that write up again? I can't even remember. Okay, we make both local and intercontinental dishes with indoor and outdoor catering services available. Okay. Alright, so I'll reduce the size. It needs to be small. It needs to be small. Okay. Now I want to align it. Scroll. See? Align center. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to use the grid line to properly align all of them. Yes, I'm going to make use of this. So when I click this, let me okay. So I'm going to adjust it. I just want them to be properly aligned. Alright, this is okay. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Alright, so the next thing I'll do will be to create that line. There's a line that I created. I will use a shape to do that. That's the shape. Okay. This is how to create the line. Alright. I'm not locked this. Reduce it. Alright, that's the shape there. So I would adjust it. Click on this position, adjust it. Alright, then the next thing I'll bring in another text. Come here, click on this A so that you can edit. Now write contact 08029650940. Alright, I'm going to adjust this. I'm going to adjust it. Alright, bring it here. And I'll reduce the size. Okay, this is it. Let's change the font. Let's change the font. The font. Let me see. Yes. Alright, this is not bad. Then remember, there's still one more. There's still one more. There's still one more shape here we need to bring. As a circle. Alright. Make it red. Reduce it. And then we are going to put stroke this time around. We're going to put stroke. Right, and the stroke color, scroll down, white. You remember? Okay, so now let's adjust it. Okay. And then I'll still bring in another text. Order now. Okay. Let me change the fonts. Order now. Alright, I can even reduce this. Okay, so guys, this is basically how to go about it. Okay, this is how to design the flyer. Our flyer is ready. When you're done, you come here to save. Okay, save here. Alright, save as project so that you can come back to work on it later if you need to re-edit it. You save as image, you find it in your gallery. You can save as both project and image. Alright, let's save as project and type food flyer. Alright, now save as image. You can save it as ultra. Okay, then save to gallery.